folks. Tonight is December 27th, 2016, Tuesday night. So obviously I've been doing this after work. Let's see, last night, got a couple of things done last night. Let's see, first part was going to the trunk here. I took out the gas tank. Sits behind the rear seat back. So as you can see, there it is. Pretty much came out in one piece. Anyways, I broke some kind of filter at the end of the top fuel line there, or return line. Second part was I'll walk it in there. Hopefully the light's not too bad. The quarter window that sits here. Finally took that out. Had to take it out in pieces. Usually with the glass I've removed, you can just unhook or unbolt the glass piece first, pull that out, and then take out the regulator pieces. But this one, you had to take out the sliding pieces and the regulator before you can take the glass out. So that was that. And then the last piece I was able to take care of last night was the rain gutter pieces. So piece that starts from here up top and to the back. Unscrewed that up and unstuck it. Some of them were screwed in, some of them were snapped on, like the top piece here snaps on, and very carefully pried this off so that I don't ruin the headliner, although I do see there's a small cut now at the top there, near the rear seat. So I'll have to tape the top side of that and glue it somehow so it won't spread, won't get bigger. But yeah, tonight I'm going to try to tackle the driver glass and pieces, the door handle and pieces, and maybe, or the passenger side small window, and then start working the doors. But yeah, trying to keep plugging away. It is really cold. It got down to the 30s overnight last night, and I'm doubled up right now and I'm still cold. So yeah, anyways, that's it for now. Till next time.